Hey everybody, this is Paul, and it stopped raining for a bit, so I'm pretty happy here. So anyways, I'm trying to plan ahead here with all these varieties. Lots of construction going on here, but I just wanted to talk about spacing of your different varieties of dragon fruit. So I'm running drip right here, you can see, and anyways, I've been moving these all day. They're pretty heavy, but now I have them 10 feet apart. So you want to give your dragon fruit 10 feet of space, your different varieties, so you have plenty of room to walk through them and not have to deal with getting hit with the spines or just not being able to make it through. So anyways, I also prefer, these are 5-foot trellises, but now I'm starting to do 4-foot trellises. So I'm working on all this drip. I'm gonna mulch it all, and some of these orange trees and citrus trees I may remove, but I do like having a bit of filtered sunlight for the dragon fruit, so that's kind of where we're at. So they're topping the trellis. I would like to say I'm also impressed that we are getting a lot of winter growth. It's into December and there's still plenty of growth happening. I will have to top several of these different varieties here to get them to kind of umbrella. So that'll be one of our episodes coming up. You can see sugar dragon especially, it will get a nice plenty of buds here even in December. So winter growth here. I missed this one, so I'm gonna leave it there and eventually take it as a cutting. So yeah, definitely spacing is important here. You can see the dragon fruit as they fill in, it's gonna be really nice. And once I hide all this drip line, it's gonna look pretty good. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Have a great day. Dude, it's creepy.